In this video, we'll cover how to generate and export party run sheets from Venue Manager. If your team wants to stay organized, we recommend utilizing Roller's Run Sheet functionality. To access this, navigate to Bookings, Run Sheet. We recommend filtering by party packages and then downloading the Party Summary PDF. Once downloaded, you'll see a red bell notification down the bottom left of your screen. Select the bell icon and download the PDF. We recommend printing out the party summary and handing them to your party host. This allows them to have access to all the key information from the booking without having to be near a computer. This includes how many guests there are in each party, where they're going to be and at what time, what they've purchased, any form responses, and any booking notes. Each page will be its own booking, so you can easily give these to each of the party hosts. We also recommend utilizing Roller's Run Sheet functionality, which will, again, download to PDF. This is perfect to print out at the start of the day and to have in your office. It allows you to see all the different parties that you have, what they've purchased, where they're going to be at what time, information to contact the booking holder, and who's hosting the party, all in one sheet of paper.